Hi friends, Emily here from the December Daily Creative Team, and I am so excited to be sharing my completed 2021 December Daily album with you. So let's get to it. I will try to show this off without too much glare, but there's definitely going to be some glare. So this is my sort of title page. I left the back blank because I just don't care. This is my reason why, and I made it a little pocket page, and each of the letters are shakers with the little stars from the Star mini kit. The back of that page, the Merry Everything, is from the December Daily Journal. I was absolutely obsessed with that this year. This story one was actually from November. It's from Thanksgiving. A lot of times my first story is from Thanksgiving. And then another thing I like to do at the beginning is like a who's who, which, I mean, our family doesn't really change, but give a little snapshot of each of us. Day 3, I did a little bit of a slider, and I did a tall, skinny photo. I think it's 3.5 or so by 8.25 on each side. Day 5, I used the felt number to make a little flip out that I just hand wrote and stamped in. And then for day 6, I made like a little Libra scale or a scale of justice for my story because I was in court that day, and it's not really, you can't really tell as much, but there's little magnets on the back that hold those scales up and down. For day 7, or story 7, I should say, I made a little ornament that rotates. These are the plastic hearts, and we did like an Instagram hop. I made a couple of different projects with those because I loved them. Day 8, pretty simple, just a felt number. And then that is just the divider. It's just a December Daily die cut. This story 9 was a little, this was a foundation page that I made, and it's got a little photo spinner. My best friend had a baby this December, so that was my story that day. And then for story 10 and 11, this was a pretty simple, the 10 I cut out with my Cricut. The 11, I made a little pocket that I sewed along the edge so that the pocket stayed put. This decal was from the Advent calendar, which, oh my goodness, that is so much fun. Story 12, used some shaker tags to make a fold out. Story 13, I made this little hexagon page. I actually made that, if you recognize those products are from last year, that was a foundation page I made in 2020 that I did not get to, so I used it this year. And then story 16, just a super simple little story about our office party. Story 17, one of our really good friend's daughters lost a tooth. And then with story 18, this was my side of the family Christmas, which we always do a weekend or two before actual Christmas. That way we get time with each side of the family. So and we had several days together. So stories 18, 19, and 20 were all about that. 21 about fitness, losing some weight, trying to stay on track during the holidays. It is not easy. And then for story 20, whatever, what are we, 22, 23, I used all of the plastic frames, the photo strip frames, and I sewed them together to put all of our different sort of photos from Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, which we do with my husband's side of the family. So we always have a million photos because we usually stay there for like a week, and so I thought that would be kind of a fun way to showcase all those. The back of that is kind of messy because I'm not a good seamstress. And then 25, this one I'm super excited about. So this is a pocket. I blew up the house story stamp, or the house stamp digital, there we go, cut it out with my Cricut, and it's a little pocket. And so there's a photo of our home, and then the first one on the other side was of my in-laws' home where we spend actual Christmas. So just writing about how much it's so great to have 2 homes to spend Christmas in. And that's it. That is my album. Thank you guys so much for looking. It was such an honor to be a part of this team, and I can't wait until next year.